Hi, welcome to Auntie Knows Kitchen. And for those of you that are returning, welcome back. Well, everything that comes out of Auntie Knows Kitchen is cooked with love. And thank you. First of all, let's get some housekeeping out of the way. Thank you to my current subscribers. I really appreciate all the support. And to my new subscribers, I really appreciate from the bottom of Auntie Knows heart, I'm really thrilled for your support. So we're going to be just frying some simple chicken wings, just a couple of wings. I think it's like 10 or 12 I'm going to be frying up. So we're going to give me a moment. We're going to get started. We're going to get cooking. All right. I got my chicken wings, and what I did pat them, and I patted the bottom of the bowl with paper towels so they wouldn't be swimming in water. I have, this is 3 eggs for batter, and in this is my seasoned flour. I have some regular seasoned salt, a little cayenne pepper, some black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Regular all-purpose flour, and I'm going to make sure I get all this well blended. Katie Pot's palate is not as adventurous on some stuff. I already got my heating up. So what I'm going to do, let's get this started. I got my little pan to lay them on. I didn't bring out the large one. And I didn't bring out my deep fryer. I just got this little pan here. So we're going to get started. Going to batter them with some flour first. Yes, you always see me in gloves when I deal with meat. I don't like to feel the meat on my hands. You know, it's amazing. My son the same way. He don't like touching meat. Okay, got this all. Gonna dump this in this egg wash. Then it's going back to the flour. Get another little batter here. And it's going on this pan. And I'm going to repeat this until I get all of them done. And once they're all battered, we'll be back. All right. I have these. These are the ones that were battered, dipped, and breaded. And now I'm going to do these. I'm not doing that fancy stuff. I'm going to go grandmama way with just flour. You dump them babies in just some flour. If I was using my cast iron skillet, that would also give things, fried foods, a different flavor. Somebody that cast iron, guys. So I'm going to show you what both look like. These little four here, they're going to be just cooked the regular way of frying chicken, not the fancy way where you got to dip and batter. Regular ways. So here they are. Here are my 5 battered. 1, 2, 3. Well, 6. I don't know. 6 battered and 4 not. So we're going to see. I'm going to test my oil. And how you test your oil, you can take a little bit of flour and drop it in and see what happens to it. The oil is ready. So give me a second, guys. All right, this oil is nice and hot, and I'm going to be placing this chicken in here, but I am not dropping anything in. I'm going to do these batter ones first. Ooh. Now, when you fry chicken, you don't overcrowd your pot. When you fry anything, you never overcrowd your pot, because what you're doing, they sometimes it's flour expands, and you want to make sure that you don't overcrowd your pot. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. When I get halfway through this first batch, I'll check back in. Hey guys, the chicken is cooking halfway. See, I flipped it. You know, I use one set of tongs for turning meat and the other set for bringing it out when it's done. I don't want to So I'm just going to show you this one piece. How pretty it is. Nice, beautiful, golden brown. So they're not done. So we're going to get that clarified. They're not done. Be right back. All right, guys. First batch is done. Let me bring one out for you. Look at there. Pretty, pretty. See, look at that. Isn't that pretty, 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 pretty? Pretty chicken. See, can you see that, guys, in the camera? Did that show you good enough? Look how pretty that is. Pretty. And it's done. Most importantly, it's done. Okay, we're going to get these last two that are battered in. And we're going to put these four here that are non-batter. I'm going to put them over to here to the side. You'll be able to tell the difference in the batter ones than the ones that were cooked the traditional way back in the day. They didn't do all that. These they have room to expand. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm going to turn these over. And see, you can't see the difference in the ones that were double dipped, double breaded, and the ones that were cooked without breading. See, you can see the difference. See, the difference in this one without the breading versus this one with breading. It appears bigger because the breading expands. Couple more minutes, and they'll be good to go. Welcome back. This chicken is ready to come out of here and go in somebody's tummy. Nice and golden brown. And these are the ones that weren't breaded. I'm going to pile these breaded ones over here on one side of the plate here. And I'll be right back with a comparison so you guys can see for yourself. Be right back, guys. So I'll do a comparison so you can see for yourself. All right, guys. Here's the one that's fried with the breading, with the double dip, with the flour, with, you know, the flour, the egg, then the flour, then the grease. The difference. And this is the one that's fried the traditional way, just dipped in batter and flour to the oil. And as you can see the difference, because the breading expands. That's why, you know, when you buy breaded wings, they're always so big, because the breading, the flour in the bread, it expands. So that's why you're not getting more chicken, you're getting more breading. This, you're getting nothing but chicken. So just wanted to show you a comparison, and thank you guys again for all your support. Until the next recipe, talk to you later, and be great.